Chapter 6. The Bridge. As soon as the villagers had used up all the salt they had collected, the boy and his father lit a fire. The flames leaped higher and higher as the wood burned, and a trail of smoke rose into the air. The puffs of smoke told the giant that the villagers had no more salt. Then the boy got a long bamboo stick and a bamboo ladder and looked out to sea. He shaded his eyes with his hand as he searched the horizon. At first, the boy saw nothing, but the giant had seen the villagers' smoke signals. He stretched his long legs across the sea, his toes pointing to the sky like big, fat button mushrooms. The boy grinned when he saw the giant's feet. It was such a strange sight. The boy waited until the giant's feet had passed over his head. Then he reached up and tapped one of the giant's feet with the bamboo stick to let him know he could put his feet down. Slowly, the giant lowered his feet until his heel touched the ground. Quickly, the boy put the bamboo ladder against one of the giant's legs and climbed onto it. He jumped up and down, waving excitedly. "It worked!" he shouted. "We've made a bridge!" He hoped the giant could see him. He knew he would feel him jumping up and down. "Though I'm so small, I probably feel like a grasshopper hopping on his leg," he thought. He looked down at the villagers who had come out of the jungle and gathered below. "The giant's legs make a good bridge. Now we can get salt, whatever the weather," he shouted. "Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go!" The villagers ran to get their bamboo baskets to put salt in. Suddenly, the boy remembered they needed to take food for the giant. He had seen how disappointed he was the last time when they had none. "We must take plenty of food for the giant to thank him for his salt," said the boy. "Does anyone have any boiled rice and prawns?" "I do," said a villager. She ran off to get a tub for the giant. "And dried fish?" asked the boy. "We do," said some fishermen. Then one by one, the villagers climbed up the ladder and followed the boy and his father along the giant's legs across the sea.